this is it. This is the worst day ever. I can't believe I'm in this situation. So we've been working really hard, like 16-hour days sometimes. And yesterday I started to feel like a little tired, throat's a little scratchy, and I thought, well, that's what happens when you work for this long. So I brushed it off, went to sleep, and I woke up this morning feeling absolute. I've tested positive for COVID-19. Which means for the next 7 days at least, I will be stuck to this cabin. I will be isolating. The rules are I am not allowed out the cabin. Nobody's allowed in. They will bring all my meals to me, and this is my home for the next 7 days. Love it, or love it because you cannot leave it. Let me show you around. Behind door number 1 we have the bathroom. And yes, this is much bigger than the bathroom that we have in the crew cabins. Behind door number 2 we have another bathroom. My closets, dressing area, the beds, a couch. And yes, I'm going around in a circle because it is that small. And then I think my absolute favorite part of this whole cabin is this right in front of me. Just look at the size of this window. I can sit in it. I love it. You know, I'll be spending my time here. So let's officially begin 7 days of quarantine. Right. Actually, I need to take a shower and get dressed into my PJs because dinner's going to be arriving at 7, which is going to be in an hour from now. And I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day because I wasn't allowed to leave my cabin, and then security has to come and escort you to your cabin. Well, of course, so that you don't infect everybody else on the ship. You know, I've heard some absolute horror stories about why people don't like this whole quarantine thing, but I still haven't told you what scares me the most, and I am going to have to spend 7 days without Mickey. I know it sounds stupid, I know, but for the past 3 years, the longest we've ever been away from each other is 3 days. So this is definitely going to be a test for me. I'm failing already. I miss him already. It's so weird. It's like you don't have your best friend around with you. Food has finally arrived. Let me show you how we get it. So you put the mask on, and when you open the door, it'll be on the chair outside. So let's see what I have. Now we bag it and put it outside. Honestly, right now I feel terrible. So I'm going to jump into bed and I'm going to try and take a nap because I feel absolutely exhausted. It is now day 2 of quarantine, and honestly, today I feel terrible. I think I'm gonna spend most of the day sleeping because I really don't feel great at all. also an interesting development. I slipped through lunch and a phone call woke me up to say that I will be receiving a roommate. So now I have a roommate while I'm supposed to be isolating because I have COVID. Wow. Now, on day 3 I woke up feeling even worse than the day before. I'm really not feeling good. Even talking felt impossible. My nose was blocked, throat was sore, and I felt super tired. All my muscles ached. So naturally, I spent yet another day in bed. I missed Mickey so much. All I wanted was for him to be with me. This was a really hard day for me. I woke up with the ship rocking, so I decided to sit in the window and watch the waves till I got cold. I skipped dinner and just slept. I was woken up to breakfast, and thankfully today I was feeling a whole lot better, but I was still so tired. My body felt heavy and my nose was still blocked. My lips started cracking and they were in pain. I didn't remember falling asleep, but I was woken up for lunch. I really wasn't hungry, so I ended up not eating much. You know, sometimes we get comfortable having people around, and today I realized just how much I missed Mickey. I was feeling so low, not only because I was sick, but because I missed my best friend. Maybe if I fall asleep, I'll wake up feeling better. Let's see. So the nurse just came and did my test. And it looks like I've tested negative, so they might be taking me out of quarantine tomorrow. Let's see what happens. So for lunch, Stranger Things and a tray of stuff that doesn't look good. Let me show you.
Been under construction for over 3 years. They're over it. They called me, we need help right now. We're not getting any younger.
It's 2 o'clock in the morning and I can't sleep. I got fish and I got pasta and this meatball looking thing and cake and mashed potatoes, and I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Today is the day I leave. So excited to see Mickey. I have no idea. Just like that, dressed and ready for work. Right back at it.